Hello, my name is Raffi. I'm from 9th grade Imam Muslim. Now today I'm gonna make a steamboat. First thing first, prepare the ingredient. Uh, the first one is the topping. Uh, for my steamboat, I'm gonna use a frozen steamboat topping, but you can use another topping like meatballs, shrimp, or anything. And then for the sauce, I use tom yum sauce, but you can use a chicken broth or anything. But make sure the sauce is delicious. For the vegetables, I'm gonna use cabbage, but you can use enoki mushroom or pak choy or anything you want. And the last one is noodle. Next step is turn off your stove to high heat, and then put your pan into the stove. Wait until the water is boiled. After the water boiled, put the noodle into your pan, and then put your topping to your pan. And then after your noodle and your topping is half cooked, put your sauce into your pan, and then mix them up. And if you want to adjust the taste, you can put salt or sugar or whatever you want. After they are cooked well, you can put your vegetables to your pan, and finally your steamboat is ready to serve.